Public officers have been urged to spend within their means as government explores ways of ensuring delivery of essential public services such as fertilizer subsidy and milk stabilization program. The National Assembly Budget Committee chairperson Ndindi Nyoro says to help, MPs are in the process of reducing their allowances, which will be redirected towards essential public services.
The National Assembly's Budget Committee and policymakers at the National Treasury are exploring ways of aligning public spending afford.
Na wale yote ambayo tutakata, tutajaribu sana kwanza sisi viongozi tujiangalie.
National Assembly Budget Committee chairperson Ndindi Nyoro is urging public institutions to explore ways to reduce expenses so that essential public services are prioritized for the budgetary allocation.
Tukate ile pesa ambayo iko katika ama karibu na sisi. Ile iko katika kuhudumia wa Kenya ikae katika budget ndio hiyo maneno.
He says already legislators are in advanced talks to scrap or reduce some of the allowances. He says the new strategic measures are meant to ensure that Kenya's financial budget is managed responsibly amidst a public demand for fiscal prudence. This is meant to ensure that essential services such as supporting farmers, employing junior secondary school teachers, and establishing a new cooperative creameries facility to start. Elsewhere, Homa Bay Governor Gladys Wanga is urging counties to automate revenue collections to enhance efficiency and accountability.
Automation of the revenue and also other structures that we have put in place has seen our revenue go from about 192 million when we came in to this year we have hit over a billion, 1.1 billion going to 1.2 billion. And automation, but also of serious structures that we have put in place so that we're able to provide leadership for the revenue collection.
Regina Manyara reporting for Prime Edition.